Welcome guys to my next tutorial on PHP Basics. This is Ankur and you are watching PHP Basics at CodeHub. Now in last tutorial I talked about the various string functions that we use in PHP. In this video I will talk about the else-if statement, the programming language conditional statements. So what are these else-if statements? So first let's create a new file. That will be if and else.php. Now first we have to open a script, we have to close the script. Now what's next? So what if else statement does, we put if in bracket we give the condition. In this statement, whatever, if this condition is true, then only control goes inside the statement. So let's try this out. Let's take $of a is equal to 10. So let's put the condition that if $of a is less than 20, then only echo yes, it is less. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's search for if else.php. Yes, it is less. That means it finds here the true value. Then now if I put here as greater than 20, then it is false, so it will not go to the control inside the loop. Yes, so what we have to do, we can put simply an else part. That means if we have this condition as false, then the control will go to this part, that is echo it is false. It is true, we can keep here. Now we can see here it is false, that means this condition is false. So this is the simple if else condition. Now we can see the if else, else if ladder, if else ladder. So what it can be, that if it is less than 20, then yes, it is less than 20. If it is not less than 20 and it is less than 30, then we can put it as else if $of a is less than 30. Then we can print as it is in between 20 and 30, and else, that means it's not in 30, then echo it as greater than 30. Now you can see that here 10 is less than 20. Okay, that means the condition this should be satisfied. So if you refresh, yes, it is less than 20. Now if we change this number and put it as 25, then it should print that it is between 20 and 30, because first it will check this condition. If it is false, then only it will go for next condition. So yes, it is between 20 and 30. And if we go for the another example, that is 35, then we can see that greater than 30. So guys, another example we can give that to check the even or odd number. So simply we can find the number that is given above. We can give the question as if $of a modulo division by 2, okay, modulo division by 2, this, if this statement is equal to 0, it will print as even. That means if it is 0, if the modulo division remainder is 0, then only it will be an even number. Otherwise it will print it as an odd number. We can see here it is showing as odd number. If we change this as 38, then obviously it should show as even number, because First it will check this condition. If it is false, then only it will go to this, otherwise it will remain in the true state. So guys, this is all about the if-else statements. In next tutorial I will talk about the switch statement that is used in PHP. This if-else statement also can be used in the various way for the different type of programming. So thank you guys for watching my video. In next tutorial I will talk about the switch statement. So thank you and see you in next tutorial.